welcome back to the channel and thank you for tuning in today. Today's video is going to be my 2020 update on things to come and things to look forward to on the Toyota FJ. So first things first, we have a lot of maintenance stuff going on. We're going to be pulling the entire exhaust off. I have a lot of leaks from my Doug Thorley headers coming from the manifold and all the connections. So all that is coming off, new gaskets are going in, and I'm going to completely weld all the flanges because for some reason they just tacked them. So we're going to do just complete welds on that. We're going to do the whole entire exhaust, and then from there I am going to do something different than the Borla coming out the rear. I'd like to do a true dual, but we'll see if I end up doing that or not. Other than that, under the hood, we're going to be completely rewiring everything. I'd like to get a new kind of 8-gang switch setup, maybe like an S-Pod or something like that. But I'm going to redo all the wiring to make everything go a little smoother. I would like to also do a dual battery setup. So that is kind of a few things coming up under the hood. In the rear, you guys may have noticed from the previous video, but I already do have. I have Fox 2.5-inch coil or just shocks to go in the rear. Those are actually off the Ford Raptor. So I'm going to retrofit those into the rear back here and get rid of the Icon 2.0 long travel shocks from Metaltech. So those are coming off. Fox shocks are going back on. The rear door. I have something very exciting coming for the rear door. I'm not giving any spoilers away for that. Just know there's going to be a new setup with the spare tire and all that. So stay tuned for that. Could be a bumper, could be something else. I don't know. But other than that, just a lot of stuff coming up. We're going to be going through everything. 37s are still an option. I'm still going back and forth on putting the rooftop tent back on there. So just a lot of stuff, a lot of goodies coming. So we'll see what happens. I'd like to get a supercharger. So it's January, you don't know. Maybe I can find one Black Friday time frame or something like that. So that's about it. That's all I know right now that I'm gonna be doing to the FJ. So stay tuned, like and subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon, and basically stay tuned for everything else I got coming to this thing. Thanks guys for watching. Bye.